You could do this, figure out which graph matches this equation by getting some points. That might be a good idea, especially if we haven't seen this type of graph too often. So plug in something for probably theta is easiest. Let's plug in 0 in for theta, the angle of 0. So we got to analyze cosecant at 0. Cosecant is 1 over sine. And so if you plug in 0 in for sine, 0 in for the angle for sine, you get out 0. So this is actually undefined. So we'll write that down. Maybe that'll be important information. Let's check out pi over 2, a 90-degree angle. And cosecant theta, so this is going to be 6 times 1 over sine pi over 2. I should have put times 6 over here. But sine of pi over 2, that is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So let's plot this. This should be at 90 degrees, pi over 2. And we should be 6 units away. 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The dot's off our graph, but it'd be over here, not over here. So this one is not looking like a winner. It doesn't have this point. So let's do another one. Pi over 2 is 90 degrees. Should have a dot up here at 6. That's not going to be part of our graph, so that's not it. Pi over 2, there's a dot here. That's not our graph. Actually, let's see. What's this one saying? Oh, yeah, this one's tricky. Look, they're going by 4s. So 4, 8, yeah, this is possible because that might be 6 here for r. And sorry, I should have emphasized this, but remember, r is 6. It's the distance from the origin. So I was counting out 3, 6. Oh, this one's counting by 3s here. So that should be our dot. So that's why we need to eliminate this option. So this one's counting by 4s, so we should have a dot here. 90 at pi over 2 for an angle, right? Pi over 2 from an angle from the origin, and then 6 units away. So that's not it. That's not it, because that's where 6 is for r. R is just the distance from the origin to your point. If we start at 0, 2, 4, 6, oh, this one isn't it either, so we can actually eliminate all of them based on that one point. It's got to be this graph here. And you can verify that by plugging in some more things for theta. You could plug in another value for theta, see what it spits out for r, and then you should be able to do that rotation for the angle, and it should be that many units, that many r units away from the center.